Guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with quick tutorial. Today working whole day on my earrings, and a lot of pieces that I collect over the winter have no matching earrings, and that will be a problem for my busy season. So I decided today to create some earrings that can match with these pieces. I have them with the different stones and pearls, and I combine frames with sterling and steel copper. You can find this necklace on my channel. I show how to do this, and I have several. I just today I work with the pearls, but I have with the red beads, with the green beads, with the lapis, with all kinds of. I just ready for my season. So and for some reason the things that I did before, I really didn't like it because it's very overwhelming. It's a large pieces, even though I use the same weaving here and two materials also, but it's large. But then somehow I create something that I like, that can match more, even though the shapes are not exactly same, but I like it. And I want to share how I made something like that. Or you can also, because as in any pieces that I create, you can adjust the shape to you, like you can adjust the shape to your designs. And I like the idea that here is something that you can put your beads in, and you can match the colors of the gems. So this could be fixed a little bit more like a leaf, but I like the shape. It could be like that. And so yes, I will just quickly finish the second earring for that and explain how I did that. So anyway, if you like circles and stuff, you can use the same attachments and just attach any shape you love to use for your jewelry. I will use copper, and even for this shape, I usually leave a little tail. It's 18 gauge wire, and I like a ring mandrel for my shapes. This shape was done with a size 7 of the ring on the ring mandrel. So you just go around and tight, and here you have perfect shape. File the end here before you squish. Then I like to put on a block and nicely hammer, so that if you feel like you need to fix the shape again, you can put it on your ring mandrel and just hammer tightly, tap it with the rubber mallet. That's the best, you know, like stuff like that. And so just create a perfect shape. After you're done with your shape, this still needed to be worked a little bit more. It's kind of funny, when you want to be fast, it's never want to create fast. It's because I don't like how it sits. Yeah, much better. Okay, so still needed to be hammered before you can use it. But these things I did before, lots of them. So I use my torch, and I like these tiny, not really tiny bubbles, and I like to use them for my earrings. So after a link is done, let me see how long it is. It just okay, it's a little bit more than 1 inch and 1/4. For the link also, you use any wire you like. I like 18 gauge, it's the best. And so for the torching ends, we definitely need that much room. I think it was longer than that. Yeah, it was much longer, probably this size. Let's see. Because now I don't remember the measurement of this, but let's see if I cut like this, 2.5 inch. And let's see if I can quickly do bow ends. Just stay with me, and I will quickly use my torch. There you are. So let's see if it will be right measurement or not. I don't quench, but it's probably need to be quenched. And it can go in the pickle solution if you like it. So you can create your links and measure on your pliers sizes of those loops, but basically you just squish on one side, and let's see if it will be the same. So you definitely need longer than 2.5 inches, because this will be shorter than that. So what measuring was 2 and something, so definitely take more wire, because I did this before at school. This one will be small, very small, so we definitely need more, because mine will be very tiny, and it's so definitely a lot more of the wire to create essential, because you don't want it very small, something like that. You can actually use also tiny ones for these earrings. It could be, it could work too, you know. That all depends what you're making. Even those small ones will be nice, I feel like, right? Yeah, could work. But I have those, so they will match up with my earring here. And what I did is I wanted these little tiny components sticking up, so I will just make sure they both facing that way, and I just make a little curve. And I will use 26 gauge wire. It's sterling silver. We don't need a long piece, and I like to start it from the middle. So you will take I don't know, not really long piece, but even though I don't need that much, I need probably that much for the top. And what I did is I used my favorite weave, 2 together. Let's start at 2 together. Wait. And then I did top, I did it on the bottom, and again 2 together. Again top, bottom wire, and 2 together. So to make it sit nice, you have to push and you keep going from the top, the lower wire here around that one, and we just add them together. 1, 2, and push, 3, and again 1, 2, and we add them together. And I did pretty much almost to the end here, you can see. And then I finish in one on this wire that is like a leaf shape. Several reps, is like 4 or 5 reps. Then when you're done with this side, you check where you're standing here and continue the same pattern. It will be opposite then, because it will be inside there, hugging this wire, and then 2 together, and you keep going until you attach both pieces together. You know, keep making adjustments with your fingers so it will not have any gaps or any spaces. I like when it's woven together perfectly. And what the fun part of these two, like I also want to show you. So then you, after you're done with this, you use your I use something like that. I just poke here and I put my earring hook through that little hole, and you jazz it with any gems you needed to add. I use labradorite and I use pearl to match this piece. I can also put green stones because this has the green. Maybe I will change it for the green, you know, with the peridot, because this is peridot. So it will match more. But I want to also show you what I did. So this round one I showed you before. So you guys, if you like round shape, and you can add any leftover little beads you have, leftover wires, just use the torch. So that's that. But also I was playing with the same. The only problem with this was that the top wire was twisted, so it looks kind of funny when you wire wrap them together. But I thought these links, when we have let's say 2 links like that, that's what I did. And that this link, the top link was like twisted, but I still attached 2 of them together. And then from here I add another wire and put a lot of little things in the hanging down, like leaf and labradorite and abalone shell, all kinds of things. I think it's a cool component as a middle part too. It's just, if you use this for the middle part, just don't use any twisted wire here, because it's like a little bit twists together and it's gonna look weirdish organic. I still like that. Then I did this piece. It was the smaller one, the one that I use for my earrings, because they all were different sizes. So I also attached together, and I add this bead in the middle too. Guys, I hope you like the ideas and you can create more delicate jewelry. And same with the chain. I just did chain. I have on my channel a lot of I think I have video how to make extension and simple chain like this is, but I like playing now with the different sizes. So this one I made very tiny loops here, and then this one is on the larger one. So I think when I will do now chains, I will do a lot of them like that because I like it. So I have a here is the little mark. That's the mark for the tiny ones. For this tiny one, you can see, because that's the mark is right there. Even when I push it, sometimes it even could be larger, but that's what I strike for. And the big one is all the way here. As you know, I can't measure it properly because it's already in. But yeah, so I think that's for everything for today. I hope you can create beautiful matching earrings for your jewelry, because today it's all about adding preparing all together, like necklaces with the matching earrings, and hopefully with the matching bracelets and rings, so it will be all together, the whole line of jewelry. I hope I inspire you today. Leave me a comment below what you think, and I will see you next Tuesday with the cool tutorials. Also, those links that I just showed are using for my other jewelry that I didn't finish. Remember this from the last time? So adding other pieces for chains too. So this could be very nice to make a bunch of them and just then use them in your jewelry. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for support, and I will see you next Tuesday with something cool again. Thank you. See you next time.